Hey guys, this is Greg McLeod, and this we've been trading the Canadian dollar. In fact, I posted the trade, the triangle. We're talking about the triangle now. The triangle, is one of the most commonly watched patterns. Patterns are ways that we can use to predict price action and to be able to better find the best entries. And so we had a really cool triangle that I had posted in Facebook. Um, and it was a multi-layered triangle. I'm going to change the color on these lines because they're probably not coming through on the screen very well. Hope you guys are doing well today. And I just wanted to share with you a trade that I'm doing. In fact, I'm probably losing a couple of pips here because I wanted to close the trades out and show you, what I actually did here. So I got long at one spot 4056. We talked about bankers levels in the currency market, numbers ending in 50, 25, 75, and 00. And so we were at the 50 area where we got long. 55 is actually where we got in. There was actually a smaller triangle here. The smaller triangle you can see right here. You can see that triangle. And what a triangle is like we had a big, huge price run here. We had a huge run in price, huge run up. And then prices pulled back as people were taking profit. These guys who got long are taking profit. And so what happens is people start selling, and then others are buying the dip. And then the buyers and sellers are in equilibrium right now. And the question, think of the triangles like a question mark at the end of the sentence. Really? And the question is, are we going to take the price up or are we going to take the price down? Now, bulls versus bears, what happened was usually when in a triangle, the way price comes into the triangle is the way it exits the triangle. So it entered the triangle bullish and then it exited the triangle bullish. And so that's what it did. It came in, found some space, and then it exited out of this triangle. Okay. So, and also there was some Fibonacci confluence there that, if you want to, when you can combine these things, then you see we're near the 50% retrace at a whole number, round number, another banker's level 00, one spot 400. So it gave me pretty good confidence to get into this trade and to go ahead and take the profit here, 68.5 pips on this trade on dollar CAD. Okay, so this is what I teach in these kinds of things in the Elite Traders University through our Forex Cash Machine and our Pip and Run scalping courses. So you can find out more, and I'm just going to go ahead and show you. We're just going to close this out and take profit, right? And then that way we can show you that this is, we got in here and that's our exit, right? And we just close the other one out, right? And we can close out, right? So there we go. We've got these, we got in here and we got out there. The triangle gave us the indication of where we want to look at. We also used the heat map. The heat map was very instrumental in helping us identify the trade and being able to actually look for a couple of things. There are a couple of tools in here which are quite powerful. Okay, not the heat map itself is pretty powerful, but there's a sentiment index here, and you can see that the Canadian dollar, the sentiment basically, this is another lesson I'm going to throw in here. The sentiment tells you where the smart money is and where the dumb money is, right? Everybody was long CAD, oil's coming back, blah, blah, blah. 59.25%, or the majority of people, were long Canadian dollar. In the Forex market, in any market, the losers pay the winners. So there are more people who were they were long CAD, and guess what? Those people are going to pay the people who were short CAD. Okay, and that's how the market works. It's not fair. But when we had a lot of people who were very long euro, and they got crushed, right? A lot of people were very short. They were long Australian dollar, and they were getting crushed. Okay, and so this is telling you that people are still long Aussie dollar, and they're probably going to get crushed later on. Okay, but let's look at the heat map, and that's the what I really want to focus on. And you can go to my market heat map. Normally it's a $199 for the year, but we're actually making a special COVID-19 kind of sale here. It's $49.99 lifetime, not annual, not monthly, but lifetime. You have access to the my market heat map for $49.99, and that is a lifetime access for it to have all these. I call it the trader's buddy because you have all these powerful tools. You have equity index heat maps, 5 different heat maps for crypto, the majors, and also commodities. You also have trader tools such as charts, quotes, economic calendar, financial news stream, market hours, and technical analysis screener. National holidays, Forex calculator, Forex liquidity, volatility, all those tools that you need in one spot, one place where you can find this. And that's the My Market Heat Map. Now, you can see that in the My Market Heat Map, dollar CAD is up 0.57%. Instead of looking over, 27 different currency pairs, all I have to do is look at the heat map, and these tiles move dynamically. And we can see that the dollar is in the top spot. Dollar, the Turkish lira, dollar South African rand, the dollar peso, and also the yen basket. Because we had, guys, what happened? Today we had I talked about this yesterday in the Facebook VIP group, and if you haven't joined the VIP group, make sure that you do, because you'll miss out on some. I throw some tips and tricks to my visitors there. I look at the VIP group is like Costco. Costco has a plate of meatballs, right? And the whole idea is they want you to buy the bag. You taste them. These meatballs are really good. Okay, give me the bag. Okay, so I give meatballs away in my VIP group. Okay, you're not going to get the full secret sauce, but you'll get some meatballs. And if you circle around, you probably can get a good meal off of the circulating around with the bones I throw out, the tips I throw out, the tricks and things like that I show you what to do. Now, if you want to not just snack, but if you really want to feast, then you want to watch my masterclass, sign up for a call with one of my top traders, and then enroll in the Elite Traders University. Enroll and invest in your learning, because guess what? If the meatballs are good, the feast is going to be. I basically have a buffet. You ever been to Hometown Buffet or Golden Corral? That's what my class is like, and it's not cheap. Okay, I tell you what, it's not free, it's not cheap. But if the meatballs are good, I tell you what, the buffet is even better, right? Okay, so anyway, we can go to our economic calendar, take a quick look there, and again, sorry about the commercial, but hey, that's I'm a business, and I love helping people, but I like helping people who are committed to their goal, committed to learning Forex, and committed to investing in their future, and committed to getting results, guys. It's all about results, okay? Not about a bunch of hype and BS, but here we go. ADP employment change right here on my market heat map came out, and the previous was 149,000 jobs was lost. They probably didn't count all the coronavirus people. It came out to be 20 million, right? 20 million. That's two. This says 20,000. It's 1,000, 20,000, right? And actually, it was higher than what was forecast. The consensus was 20 million, right? 50. It was actually 20,236,000. It was worse than expected, and this really caused the U.S. dollar to rally, because people are running into fear trades. The yen's going to rally, the dollar's going to rally, people are going to run to safety because they say, oh my God, the economy's blowing up, I'm going to get out of the stock market and get into bonds, right? That's the whole idea. In fact, we can actually look and see our equity heat map and see how the equities were. Did they get hammered or not? They might have been okay. In fact, S&P was up just a little bit. Dow was negative, and the S&P, the Russell 2000 was down, and all the European markets were down. Okay, now and people say, well, why is the S&P up a little bit? Well, it's barely positive, right? A lot of companies, a lot of stocks, the companies are rewarded when they lay off people, or they don't have, because there's less money they have to pay for labor, and it's crazy. It's like Tesla announces they lay off people, or Disney announces they lay off people, and then the stock goes up, right? Because there's less people they have to pay. It's unfair. That's why you need to learn how to trade Forex at the Elite Traders University. That way you can unplug yourself from the system. This is called I'm Morpheus. I just offer you a pill to unplug and create your own financial system, so you're not part of this system, right? All right. Anyway, I love you guys, and I hope this was helpful. Again, go to my VIP Facebook group. You can get over here. Forex Cash Machine is what it's called, right? And you can sign up, right? You can sign up. It's a blank screen, but anyway, you can also sign up. There we go. So the Forex Cash Machine, right? And also, you want to go to my masterclass, and I don't have something out here for you. I had a ticker, right? What happened to the ticker, Greg? I think it's here. Yeah, here we go. Oh, okay. All right, Jesus man, I need a break. Okay, we're gonna go here and properties, and hey, we're gonna run. Hey, there we go. Okay. All right. Okay. So you want to go to I'm just gonna pop it on the screen for you, right? File and new, right? And you want to write down this URL. Okay. The URL is www.4 the number 4 4. Come on, you can spell 4, right? PI 4 pillars 2 the number 2 SIX figures.com and sign up for a free masterclass. Okay. And that class is going to show you what I do, how I do it, and about me, and about how I've helped people, and all the 4 principles, the 4 pillars, right? You want to watch that entire video, and then at the end of the video, don't jump the gun. There's a button there you can press, and then you can talk to me, either my top trader, Michael, who is we're both been doing extremely well, and we can show you how to do it. I mean, that's the whole idea. And you probably say, well, why? Why? Because guess what? I have a mission. I'm already successful. I've already made all the money I want to make. Not really. I could make more. I'm a greedy bum, right? But I'm a teacher at heart. I have a lifetime California teaching credential from the state of California. So I was a teacher. I come from a line of teachers. My mother was a teacher. My aunts and uncles were teachers. My great-great-grandfather started a school in Tallahassee, not that place, called Talladega, Alabama. And it was a school for ex-slaves to learn how to assimilate, and they're newly free, didn't know anything. I mean, all you know is about getting beat in a cotton field. Well, my great-great-grandfather started a school that was burned down by the KKK, but it was a school. So I have a school in teaching and helping people, no matter what race, color, creed, or background, to help you guys get financially free. Because this system, I see people devote their whole lives to corporations and businesses, and then they're just disposed of. Oh, we can't use you now. You're furloughed. You're fired. You're laid off. And it's the new form of slavery. It's 21st century slavery, right? They send you somewhere, they make you get on a plane and go somewhere else and separate you from your family, from your kids. They make you work 2 and 3 jobs in order. Come on, guys. It's a little bit different. They don't beat you with a whip, but they beat you other ways, right? So maybe I'm Harry. I'm the black Harriet Tubman. No, Harriet Tubman was black, right? But I'm just trying to get you free, guys, right? Try and get you free. So click the link right now. Register and watch and learn, because it's not get rich quick, but it's a way. You're learning a new skill set. Just like if you were a plumber, or you were a pilot, or if you were a hairdresser, it is a skill that you have to put a certain amount of hours in order to obtain the skill. All right. Anyway, peace and pips. Happy pipping, and we'll talk to you soon. Greg signing out. Cheers. Bye.
If you want to learn more about profiting from the Forex market, go to www.theforexcashmachine.com and sign up for a free training webinar. Get the secrets from Greg as he reveals how to earn limitless income. Learn more to earn more.